Welcome everyone. How are you all? Hope you all are feeling fine. So in this video, we are going to do another part of the same chapter, trigonometric ratios. In this video, we will come to know, here we are discussing sum number 24 of the same chapter, trigonometric ratio. Here it is told that if this expression's value is 1 by 4, we have to find the value of sine theta. There are many ways of doing it. One way is that we can split this sec theta as 1 by cos, this as sine by cos. Then we can proceed by multiplying cos theta and all. The easiest way is that we have to cross multiply. So we are starting with this one only. So this part I am just removing. This is the expression given. What we are going to do, we are going to crossly multiply. So when we are cross multiplying, this 4 is going to multiply with the both quantity in this side. So 4 multiplied with this, it will become 4 sec theta minus 4 into tan theta. This side will multiply this side with this 1. Multiplying 1 will not be changing anything. So it will be as it is, sec theta and plus tan theta. So after cross multiplying, we are getting there are two quantities. One is sec and tan. That side also same. Sec and tan is there. So all the sec theta will be same side and all the tan theta I am making that side. So 4 sec theta. This one I am bringing this side will become minus sec theta. This is tan theta. This one and this minus 4 tan theta shifting that side will become 4 tan theta. Now here we are getting 4 sec theta minus 1 sec theta. That means 3 sec theta is equals to tan theta and 4 tan theta will make it 5 tan theta. Now we need the value of sine theta only. What we can do? We can do two things from here. What is the first thing? First thing, I can make this sec theta as 1 by cos. Here I can make sine by cos. If we do so, we are going to get 3 into 1 by cos theta, and this side we are going to get 5 into sine theta by cos theta. This down cos theta is a multiplication format, so we can cancel. So how much we got? If we write 3 is equals to sine theta, we got clearly from here this 3 down 5 will come, which will be the value of sine theta. So we got sine theta's value 3 by 5. One more way is also there. You can bring this tan theta down of sec theta, then this 1 by sine also you can do. That also I am showing you. Another method is also there. From here you can do another way also. This sec theta I am keeping and tan theta I am bringing the down of this. So this 1 by tan theta, which will be equivalent to 5 by 3. Next, sec theta can be splitted as 1 by cos and tan can be splitted as sine by cos. So sine theta, the down will write cos theta. This cos and this cos will cancel. This side is 5 by 3 left. So what we got it? We got 1 by sine. 1 by sine theta is 5 by 3. But you need in the question, according to the question, sine theta. So we'll just reciprocal it. Sine theta will go up. Down 1 need not to be written. This side also reciprocal. So we'll get sine theta's value as 3 by 5. Let's see the next sum. Okay, let's see. This is the next sum. After 24, 25 is another type. So I am showing this one also. It is told here tan A's value and tan B's value given. we have to find the value of this expression. How we will be doing it? At first, there are two things given. Tan A is given. We know tan A means, tan theta means perpendicular by base, whose value is 1. That means 1 by 1 we can take. Don't think that both the tans value, how can it differ? It is different because of these two angles. Angles are different, so tan theta's value also coming different. Now, if this is the condition here, perpendicular and base, like a previous we have done, we can take, let perpendicular's value is 1x, base value is also 1x, and we'll get the hypotenuse value, and hypotenuse's value, the formula will be this one by using Pythagoras that you have done in the before sums. Now here if we do, we will be getting x square, 1x square means x square only, here also x square. So you are getting 2x square, and final value of this one is getting root over 2 into x, because 2 will be inside the root, x square is there, so x will come out. Now I am getting in this expression, according to this A angle, there are two things are, one is cos A, another one is sin A. So that two things value here only will be calculating. We'll calculate the value of sin A from here and cos A also. Now we know sine is the perpendicular by hypotenuse. Perpendicular is 1x, hypotenuse we got root 2x, x cancelled, so it will be 1 by root 2. Same way cos means we know base by hypotenuse, base is 1x, so again here also root 2x, x cancelled, we'll get the value of 1 by root. So sin A and cos A's value we have taken out. Again we will come in this part here, in the same way we will split, because tan means again perpendicular by base, which is there, root 3 means root 3 by 1. We can catch. Similarly, like the other one, perpendicular root 3x, base will be 1x. As base and perpendicular available, hypotenuse also will calculate by using same formula, perpendicular square plus base square. If we do so, we'll get here root over 3x whole square plus x square. We will get it here, root 3 square is 3, so 3x square and x square under the root, that means 4x square, which will give you 2x. Now again, according to B angle, two things you need. Sin A we have taken, cos A we have taken, B's respond we need cos and sin also. So we'll be taking out that one, sin B and cos B. We have already written sin means perpendicular by hypotenuse. So here perpendicular is root over 3x and hypotenuse is 2x. X cancel. We'll be getting here root 3 by 2. Same way, if we do for cos, we'll be getting cos base by hypotenuse. Base is here 1x, hypotenuse is 2x, x cancelled, we'll get 1 by 2. So here we will be getting sin B and cos B's value. Now those values will be putting into that expression, we'll get the final answer. Cos A is 1 by root 2. Cos B is 1 by 2 minus sin A. Sin A's value is 1 by root 2 and sin B. Sin B's value root 3 by 2. Now here if we calculate, we will be getting 1 by 2 root 2 Here we are getting root 3 by 2 root 2. Both the denominators are the same. If we do the LCM, 2 root 2 will become the LCM. If this is the LCM, same LCM is there as a denominator. So up 1 minus root 3 will be there. Here the Bharati Bhawan book has left the answer. But we can do one more step also. This root 2 is down. So I can remove the root also from the denominator. I told one video I will be showing how to do the rationalization. You can keep the answer this much, no issues in your level. But better if you remove this root over things or root quantities from the denominator. The process is whatever the root is there, that root over quantity has to be multiplied up and down. So here I am multiplying with root over 2 up and down, and this step is called rationalization. If we do so, root 2 will be multiplied by 1, it will become root 2. Root over 3 and root over 2, if you multiply, it will be multiplied like this. Root over 2 into root over 3, it will become under the same root, and the answer will be root over 6. So root over 6, and here 2 is already there. Root over 2 if you multiply, root 2 will give you 2. So final answer you can write also 2 minus root 6, root 2 minus root 6 by 4. That also can be our answer. Hope you understood. Okay, so see the next sum, that is 26. In this sum it is told, in triangle ABC, angle B's value is given 90 degree, tan C's value is given 1 by 2. We have to find the value of that expression. Now what we will do, we will draw a triangle first. If we draw the triangle, it is told its right angle at B. That means this angle has to be named as B. Then another 2 point is there, you can name it as A and you can name it C. You can opposite also, you can write here A, here C. Does not matter anything. Next, tan C's value is given. So tan C's value is given 1 by 2. We know tan means perpendicular by base. Now according to C angle is given, that means this is your considering angle. So if perpendicular we write according to C angle, the name will be AB, because in front side of this considering, that is AB, is the perpendicular. Right angles in front is hypotenuse, so base will be BC. So from here easily we can write, let AB's value will be 1 here, that means 1x, and BC's value we can take as 2x. The missing side is hypotenuse, that is AC. We know hypotenuse is equals to root over p square plus b square. So here hypotenuse AC's value will be AB square plus BC square. If you go to the next step, AB's value is given 1x, so it will be x square. BC's value is given 2x, so 2x whole square directly we are doing, that is 4x square. So 4 and 1 x square, that means total 5x square is coming inside the root, that means it will be root over 5, x will come out. We'll get the value of AC as root over 5x. Now this expression value we need sine A's value, cos A's value, cos C's value and sine C's value. So we'll take out according to that. Sine A is perpendicular by hypotenuse. According to A angle, perpendicular is BC. So here we will write BC, and hypotenuse never change, that is AC. BC's value already we got it. Here 2x. Now AC's value we got, root over 5x. X will be cancelled, so 2 by root 5 will be left. Same way, cos A will be base by hypotenuse. Now base is how much? Make it stop. So base by hypotenuse, according to A, angle base will be AB, because you see A is considering means this is perpendicular, hypotenuse then base. So base value will be AB and hypotenuse is AC. If you write down the values, AB's value how much you got? AB's value is 1x and AC's value is root over 5x. You can do one thing also, the side values whatever you got, you can write it here. BC's value we got 2x and AC's value we got root over 5x and here AB's value is 1x. Then that time you will be finding easy to write down the values. As sine A and cos A is written, we need cos C and sin C also. So according to C angle, sine will be taken out. Sine means again perpendicular by hypotenuse. So according to C angle, which is perpendicular, according to C angle, perpendicular is AB. It will be AB and hypotenuse will be AC. We are not writing this step again. So AB by AC. AB's value 1x, AC is 2x, x cancelled, is 1 by 2. Next, we need cos C also. So cos C angle will take out. Cos means just now we have written base by hypotenuse, but corresponding angle is changed here. Here corresponding angle is C angle. So according to C angle, this is perpendicular. Base will be BC. So in place of base, it will be BC and hypotenuse is AC. BC's value how much we got? 2x we got. So it is 2x by AC's value root over 5x. So here also it will be root over 5x. Okay, because AC's value is root over 5x. Check here in the diagram. X will be cancelled. So if we x cancel, we will get 2 by root 5. All the values which we need, already we got it. Just we have to put it in that expression. That expression is this one. So here it is asked sine A's value, that is 2 by root 5 into cos C. Cos C's value again 2 by root 5 minus cos A's value. Cos A is 1 by root 5 into sin C. Sin C's value 1 by 2. Sorry, 1 by root 5. So if we calculate, you will get 2 and 2, it is 4 by root 5 into root 5 is 5 minus 1 into 1 is 1, root 5 into root 5 is 5. All the denominators are, both the denominators are 5. 5 will be the LCM. 4 minus 1. 4 minus 1 is 3. So final answer of the expression will come 3 by 5. In this trigonometric ratios are different kind of sum that we are discussing before. From that it is different. We have 3 formulas here, and those formulas are known as identities. Identity means one or unit. So here identities means trigonometric formulas. So with this ratio sine cos tan, we will have main 3 formulas, and with that 3 formula we can derive more things. Let us see. The first formula is saying that sine square theta plus cos square theta is equals to 1. How it is coming 1? That also we can prove. Because we know that sine means perpendicular by hypotenuse. So sine square means perpendicular by hypotenuse square. And cos means base. So base square by hypotenuse square. So LCM will be hypotenuse square, and then here you will get p square plus b square. You know, p square plus b square means only hypotenuse is hy square. Here also hypotenuse square will give you 1. So like that we can prove, but proofs are not in your syllabus. What we have to do? We have to apply those formulas, and we have to take out the sine cos values by knowing one thing, and another thing's value we have to find by using that formula. So this kind of proof is not there, but it is there. We can prove. So I have explained to you, but it is not on your use actually. So our first identity is sine square theta plus cos square theta. From here, this sine square and cos square's addition is 1. We can take out 4 things. The first thing we can take out from here is sine square. That will be 1 minus this cos square will be shifted that side, will be 1 minus cos square theta. So if I need only sine without square, you know the rule. The rule is you have to remove the square and square root will come in another side. Same way, if I need cos square theta from here, so cos square theta I will keep in this side, sine square will be shifted, so it will become 1 minus sine square theta. Same way, if we need only cos, our root over will come, that means 1 minus sine square theta. So from this formula, we can find out these are the 4 things from here. Our next identity is between sec and tan. So next identity formula is giving you this formula, sec square theta minus tan square theta equivalent to 1. So from this formula, like this one, 4 quantity again we can take out. What are the 4 quantities? First quantity is sec square. So sec square theta will be equivalent to 1 and tan square will be shifted, will become plus tan square theta. Same way, if we need only sec, we'll get root under this one, or you can say root over this one. Now if I am going to take out tan I cannot keep this side, it will become minus tan square. What we will do, when we will take out the tan, we will shift that tan square this side, and sec square theta and 1 we will bring this side. So if you want tan square to be taken out, you do like that way, it will be easier to you. That sec square theta we will keep, 1 you bring this side, which will be equivalent to tan square theta. You can rotate and write that tan square theta's value you got already, sec square theta minus 1. Now if we need only tan, you will give a root under, we will get sec square theta minus 1. These are the 2 identities. One more is there. The third identity is between cosec. The third identity is between cosec and cot. So the third identity is cosec square theta minus cot square theta, which is equivalent to 1. So from here if we take out cosec, so it will be cosec square theta is 1, this side will be going, it will be plus cot square theta. Same way, if we do only cosec, you will get root under 1 plus cot square theta. Now from here, if we need cot, again in that way we'll keep cosec square theta this side, 1 will bring this side, which is equivalent to cot square theta. Rotate and write we'll get cot a square theta is equals to cos square theta minus 1. If we need only cot, then we'll get a root under cos square theta minus 1. So these are the three identities. This is one we have, this is another one, and previously we have seen sine square plus cos square. So from all the identities we are getting four things. So now we'll see how we can use these identities and how we can find out the unknown values by the given things quantities by applying those identities formulas. Okay, so now we'll see whatever the identities formulas we got it, how we'll apply it on the sums and how can we solve the problems. See, we are doing exercise 1b. This is question number 1 of that, and from Bharati Bhawan book we are discussing these answers. The first question is asking sine A's value root 3 by 2, and we have to find two things. One is cos A, one is cot A plus cosec A. Now already you have learned in my previous videos, I have explained that these things can be done by sidewise by taking x and all. Now we are going to do this one by using those formulas we have just learned with uses of that. By using those formulas we try to solve this, not by using previous method. We'll see what is given first. It is given sine A's value. That means sine we know. Sine A root 3 by 2. First question they are asking what is the value of cos A. Whenever this type of questions will see or this type of questions will be given to you, you will try to find out from these formulas which formulas direct it can be applied. Cos value we need, we have sine. Check cos theta's value is showing here, which is root over 1 minus sine square theta. So we can use that formula. So by using that formula we can write cos A will be equivalent to root under 1 minus sine square A. Here theta is there in the formula, but here the angle is given A, so we will be using as a. Now it will be easy to calculate. 1 minus sine value is root over 3 by 2 and square is there, so we'll make 1 minus root 3 by 2's whole square. Next step, 1 minus root 3 square is 3, we know, we have done before, and 2 square is 4. So you can solve it by doing LCM. Without that also we can do it directly. That's you have to multiply like this. 4 into 1 4, 4 into 1 is 4 minus 3, so 4 minus 3 is 1 and down 4 will be there. So 1 by 4 we are getting, and 1 by 4 means we know root over 1 means 1 and root over 4 means 2. So we got, therefore cos A's value will be 1 by 2. Next step, what is asked to us? We have asked to find the value of cot A and cosec A. We'll try to find out the value of these two and we'll add it. We are getting here cosec. Cosec directly having formula with cot. So cot till now we don't know. What we will do? Cot means we have a formula. Before we have given you that cot means cos by sine. Hope you remember the formula. Cot theta's value is cos theta by sine theta. Theta's place A is there. So cot A will be cos A by sine A. Cos A's value we got already 1 by 2. And sine A's value already given, that is root over 3 by 2. So this 2 and this 2 will be cancelled. You will get cot A's value as 1 by root 3. Cot A we got. Now cosec A we have to find out. If we are going to find out cosec from cot, it will be lengthy here. You can do it. But one more easiest way here I am getting, because sine is given and we know cosec is the opposite or reciprocal of sine. So we'll be finding here cosec A equals to cosec A is equals to 1 by sine. Remember, we have done the formula. If you don't know, see my previous videos of trigonometric ratios, we'll get it there. So sine A's value is root 3 by 2. So directly I can do it 1 by root 3 by 2. 1 by root 3 by 2 will give you 2 by root 3, which will be the value of cosec A. We got the value of cosec A here. We got the value of cot A here. We'll use these two value to find out this expression. Cot A, how much we got? 1 by root 3. And cosec A, how much we got? That is 2 by root 3. Both the cases root 3 is the LCM. So root 3 will make LCM. It will be 1 plus 2. And 1 plus 2 means 3 by root 3. Now 3 can be splitted as root 3 into root 3. Down already one root 3 is there. Because we know root 3 into root 3, if you multiply, we'll get 3. So this 3 and this root 3 is cancelled. Root 3 and root 3 cancel means we'll have only root 3. So the expression's value is root 3. Hope you understood.